everyone, welcome back to another episode of a series of videos coming from Axel Designs. Don't forget, in the last video that was released, we talked about how to create or design or make your Google form. But here in this video, we'll be teaching ourselves how to edit your Google form, how to shorten your Google form link, then how to check your responses and access them. But before that, if you haven't watched the other video, don't let's stay back from watching it. So let's just go to my channel and watch it. And also, for those that haven't subscribed, please help to subscribe. Then let's move to the real work. And the first thing to do is, probably you have already created your Google form. Then you go to your link, the link you copied to people in order for them to help you fill your form. And from there, this is my own link, my own Google form link. Just press on it, just click on it, and from there you choose a browser, but it's advisable to choose Google Chrome. Then you will choose it, and this is my form. Then on your bottom right, you see like a pen icon. Just click on the pencil icon or the pen icon, and after clicking on it, then for example, this is my form, is untitled form, because I didn't remember to title it. So you can just click on it and you title it. So, and if you want to change anything, just click on that particular part and you change it. So just click on anything to change. If you want to change the paragraph to something else, so to short answer, you can change it. But let me change it back. I'm not changing. Then from here, as you are doing the alterations, so they're already been saved by Google Form. Then the next thing to do is, I think I've thought about how to edit a form now. So we can edit our Google Form like this, and they will be saved automatically. Then the next one, so in order to do your link, to get your link, just press here, and after pressing there, just this, for example, you want to send the Google form to an email. For example, you want to send it to your email, just input your email, so 19@gmail.com. So I want to send a copy of the Google form to my email for reference purposes. So, and you can include the form in your email, or you may not. Then you can send here, send if you want to send. But in order to copy the link, you come here to this link icon, just click on it, and this is your Google link. You see how it's long, so you can just copy it. Just copy, and let's check. Just wait for the pop-up to rise up. You see, so this is somehow long, so the link is somehow very long. But in order to shorten it, just go back to your page, then you press on shorten URL. So you have already shortened, then you press copy here, press copy. Then let's go back to it and paste it. So you see, and let's send. You see, they are still the same. If you click on both of these, they are still the same, but this is the long link and this is the short one. So it's better to use the short one for the betterment of your customers, your clients, your participants, your students, and all those ones. This one will be more formal. Then from there, I think we have already thought about how to shorten our link. From there, let's go back to so we have already copied a link. Okay, the next one is your responses. You want to access your responses. So this is it. On the other side of your question, just click on it. So I have 14 responses. So I have 14 responses, and these are those that responded to my what is it called, to my Google form questions. And these are their questions. Have you seen it? But you can access it through here or here. So these are the questions. So these are the questions like this. So have you seen it? Then individual, you can play it, you can press on individual. Have you seen it? But these are just like, it will be somewhat stressful. Just click on this icon in order to see it on a spreadsheet, as if you do it on a tabular form. So you choose your account. I want to choose Axel Design. Okay. So it will take you to Google Drive, and there's where it will open it for you. It says to access unlimited form estimate, take it out of the trash. So take it out, and is helping you to open your Google form. Have you seen it? So let me just do my, so this is it. Have you seen it? It has already done it in a tabular manner. So that is the time they sent it. Someone sent it by 9:48. Someone sent it by 2:06, 2:13. What's your name? The occupation. So they have already filled it, and you see that he did it in a tabular form. So this is quite awesome, isn't it? Sure. So you don't have to just be taking a pen and writing the information of your customers. So you can just use this. This is a easier way, and it will tabulate your form. It will tabulate your form. I think we have already seen how it is. And from here you can also print. Probably want to print it out like on a copy of paper. Just press here. So, and this print. So probably you have a printer, so you can print, and this is print. So from there you can do anything you want to do with it. You can print it out and have it as a hard copy. So I hope this video is beneficial. If so, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and also leave your comments. The comment box is quite available for you to see what's running on your mind and to converse with the tutor. So I'm quite available for all of us. Thanks for being watchful, and thanks for being with us. I remain Axel. Stay blessed.